Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the host app supports Color Widget features and that you have permission to add widgets. Once done, collect the color assets you will use, hex codes, gradients, or swatch images, and decide the widget size and layout. Now open the widget editor and create a new widget instance, selecting the chosen size and a blank template. Make sure to name the widget clearly so you can find it later. This reduces confusion when assigning colors and behaviors in the next step. You now assign the actual colors and arrange the layout. Set primary, secondary, and accent hex values and preview contrast for readability. Then configure padding, alignment, and any text or icon placement so the widget looks balanced on the home screen. Once layout is set, add dynamic behaviors like scheduled color changes, tap actions, or shortcut launches to make the widget interactive. Make sure to preview in all sizes and on light and dark backgrounds to verify accessibility and visual. You finish by saving the widget, placing it on the home screen, and testing taps and dynamic behaviors to confirm everything works. Once placed, verify the displayed colors on the actual device screen and adjust brightness or contrast if they look off compared to your source swatches. If the widget doesn't update or shows wrong colors, try clearing the app cache, reloading the widget, or reinstalling the widget component, and then reapply your saved settings. That usually resolves persistent display or interaction problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.